Welcome back. You can also add your landing page to your WordPress website. And to do that, you're going to need to use a WordPress plugin. So we're going to come inside of the Add Plugins area in our WordPress website, and we're going to search for ConvertKit. And once we have it, we'll then click Install. Once this plugin has been installed, we'll then click Activate. You'll then come inside your settings area, and what you're going to do is click ConvertKit. Now, in order to get the plugin to integrate, you are going to need your ConvertKit API key. You'll find that API key in your settings area. It will be within the Account Info tab. You'll then come inside of your plugin. You'll then add in the API key. Now, you're also going to need your API secret. What you're going to do in this case is click the Show button. That'll show your API secret. You're going to copy it. You're then going to head back to your WordPress website. Once you have it, you'll then click Save Changes. And your settings will then be saved. And when you are creating a page, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the landing page area. You're then going to go to the landing page you want to add. You'll then want to add in the block, and then you'll want to save your page. And you can now see the page preview. And what we'll now do is click Publish. Once the page is published, we can then click View Page. And our landing page is now on our WordPress website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.